insurance business. I'm here in Ljubljana, the beautiful capital of Slovenia. Well, the weather isn't that fine. However, I'm not here to share with you the latest weather forecast. I'm here to present to you my new podcast, Insurance in Motion. And I will meet a really great guy, Slovenian great guy. He's a mathematician, he's an insurance expert, and he's currently working for an insurtech. And we will talk about what this insurtech is really doing. Hi there, I'm in beautiful Ljubljana. It's the third time being here, and I'm sitting here in this beautiful e-vehicle commuting through the beautiful old town of Ljubljana, and beside me is Aleš. Well, let's say blockchain guy, crypto guy, insurance expert, whatsoever. Please, Aleš, introduce yourself.
Yo! Hello guys, hi from Ljubljana. As Frank said, we are in a beautiful town, although it's raining outside, but never mind. Always sunny in insurance business. As Frank introduced me a little bit, I'm not so, let's say, crypto fan, but I'm coming from an insurance space. Been here for more than 20 years on different positions as an actuary, appointed actuary, and the latest chief risk manager. So now, I'm working with InsurTech, Vouch for me called, and let's say that we are some kind doing on disruption solution for insurance business. So it's fun. It's really fun coming from, let's say, an old sector to a new sector, and fresh energy, new perspective, new people like Frank, although we knew from before, and let's see.
Thanks, Aleš, for your introduction. Well, let's step directly into discussion about your current role. What are you actually doing? You always mentioned Vouch for me, it's a startup. What are you doing?
Okay, so what we are focusing on is let's say, how to make underwriting risk a little more, let's say, funnier. So on one side, we know that all insurance companies are collecting all kinds of data, and what we are open up is why don't your friends give some information about you? So, and then this information can be valued into the underwriting process. And how to do this is what we are actually doing is we are outsourcing a deductible to the third parties, meaning if I'm a good, let's say, risk, then somebody or someone can vouch for me, and putting, let's say, this financial guarantee for me, this is a valuable information for insurance companies, and for such an info, insurance companies are lowering the price of insurance product.
Well, okay, understood, but for a startup, it's always difficult to start. I mean, are you already present in the market, or is it just an idea or a concept? Vouch for me, or?
Yeah, it's definitely we moved forward from a concept. So the concept was developed back in 2016, 17. Now we are already, let's say, having a few installations working around the globe. So we are from, let's say, live, very live, and we have some really nice feedback. So meaning also that the people who used and are using our service, and also the insurance companies who basically support us and saw some additional value in this concept.
Could you speak a little bit more about live corporations, or is it still
no,
not online or not live yet?
It is live. Okay. So as we published also together with an insurance company, it's called Aerolines. So the first installation was done in Romania, the basic concept is let's say very simple. As I said, insurance client buys a policy with a high deductible, so then this high deductible can be offloaded through our platform to his or her social network. So this is basically it. So it's what we are doing. We are going back to the roots. So the risk is spread among the friends and social network of policyholder. And this is really, if you look, or let's say, into the history of insurance, this is the beginning of insurance. So the beginning, people just spread the risk among themselves, and now these days, there are a lot of intermediaries. So yeah.
So it's a little bit back to the roots. You would say, yeah?
I would say that, yeah, definitely.
Okay.
It's back to the roots. However, it's a little bit supported with this, let's say, new technology, as you mentioned. So it's like some blockchain in behind also, but nevertheless, the main, let's say, the main part of the solution is like back to the roots. So it's just taking a higher deductible and spreading this deductible among your friends, and in return, insurance company is willing to give you a special discount on that. So it's but this is normally, if you, let's say, from actuarial point of view, what you do, you just move the risk to the left side. So this is like the risk is spread among the people, and to the right side of, let's say, claim distribution, what is left for insurance. We are going out at Street Ljubljana, if I understand.
Yeah.
Is this close or?
Tanka sam vas pobral, ne?
So where he will give us? We need to go out.
When?
Soon, in I know.
Tam druge poberam, zato pa
But for which insurance product does this work? So which segments? Non-life, life, health, is it only motor, or?
Okay, yeah, fair enough. It's a good question to start with. It's like coming back to the risk. So what we did is implemented this, let's say, social proof idea to car insurance. So it's with this driving and responsibility and etc. But when you think more widely, you can implement it wherever you want. So it's not just linked to the car insurance. You can have like a property insurance. You can have like also health insurance or life insurance. So we are also in discussion with some insurance companies from other setups. So it's like not just one unique product that it's very, let's say, narrow, but the concept can be used everywhere. So it's just, you need to find out the spot for 3 wins. So what's there for the customer, what's there for insurance company, and how this helps also this, let's say, social part, the community.
Okay, I like the idea of a vouch for me, but one question is still open for me, or from my perspective is still open. Is the insurance industry ready for such a concept and for such cooperation? Do you think they are prepared? Are they open?
Yeah, good question, yeah. So let's say I've been here like 1.5 years doing a lot and cruising all around the globe, so to be honest. And I've seen and get different responses. So some insurance companies are really keen for innovating and innovations, and they want to jump in. So, but some just say, no, we don't have time. This is I think the key problem of insurance companies nowadays. So we don't have time. We are doing our business. We have a lot of problems. But come on, the world is changing, and the world is changing fast. So I'm just saying, are you on the train, or you are just left on the platform and see the train passed by? So, and this is I think still the problem. So it's, let's say, you can see this trend also in other industries, not just in the insurance industry, also in banking, or let's say in car industry, Tesla, etc. And insurance companies are like, I wouldn't use these dinosaurs, but really they are moving slow. And this is, from my perspective, from, let's say, a guy from an insurance company, is like, come on, we can do better. we can do better, and the insurance at the end, it can be fun. But yeah, you need to change the thinking, you need to change a little bit the processes, you need to change this attitude, and of course the technology is here to help. And of course, and another thing is that new generations are coming, and new generations are, let's say, they're thinking, I'm old for them, of course, and they're thinking quite differently like we do. And if you not speak the same language as they do, you're out of the business.
Thank you so much, Alex, for your time, for this great interview, for the great insight on Vouch for me. Hope to see you soon. Have a great day, and see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, thank you. So enjoy a little bit in Ljubljana, and see you.